Hey, what's up guys, this is TheRoosterTech and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the iPad keyboard dock. So these are about £39 I think, or about £40 depending where you're getting them from. So here's the box, shows you the keyboard with an iPad on it, the name, Apple logo, just some details, Apple logo, picture on the back of it, and that's about it. So let's open it. There's the keyboard, the dock. There's nothing else really in here, in the box, apart from a little manual. So let's put the box aside. So here's the keyboard, exactly the same as a Mac keyboard, same layout of everything. It's got the dock here, 30-pin connector dock, a audio out connector there, and a 30-pin connector there for your charger. So it's basically all the controls like lock, photo frame, brightness and everything. So I'll just show you what it's like with the iPad in. The cool thing about this case, you can this dock, you can put the actual smart cover on it as well, because with the just single dock you can't put the smart cover on there. So you can put in your password as well, and that will unlock it. And it's really good for like typing stuff. So if I make a new note, real quick and simple. I'm not sure if you can see that. Put that back in. So I'll show you some of the other buttons. So you got, so if say you're all the way on the back page, press a button, this top left button will take you to the beginning. Got your search, brightness down, brightness up, and then photo frame. If you click that, it'll go through your photos. Put in your password. Keyboard. So if you're typing in something, you can get rid of it or pop it up. I'm not sure what this plane button is, but then you got back, plane, pause, next, mute volume, volume down, volume up, and the top right one's lock. So yeah, that's basically all the buttons which they've made for the iPad. So yeah, this is the Apple iPad keyboard dock. Remember to subscribe to our other channels, and like this video, and leave a comment down below if you want us to do a review or an unboxing of anything else which you would like. So thanks for watching guys.